This roti roll just takes few ingredients but provide unmatched taste, also protein for your daily requirement. It took few minutes to prepare, but keeps you full for long time without making you feel heavy. Before I start, I would like to say thank you to all who visit my channel and give their precious time. It would be great if you like my videos and subscribe my channel. Just a humble request to my viewers. This is roti roll. Once you tried it, I am sure you will forget all rolls that are available in market. Start with making a spread for our roti roll. I have taken a big size avocado, peel it, then mash it nicely. Make sure there shouldn't be any lump because we are going to use this as a spread, so it should be smooth. I have added chili flakes, oregano, and mixed herbs as well. You can skip this part. Once you mash it nicely, add black pepper, salt, little bit red chili powder, and squeeze half lemon into this mixture and mix it well. This mix will work as smooth base as spread over our roti. Now we will prepare filling. You no need lots of veggies. Use whatever is available into your kitchen. I had only cucumbers and onions, so I used these along with long paneer slices. Make sure use paneer, not cheese. Now put a tawa on gas and let it get hot until let's prepare base for roti roll. As you heard, we are going make roti roll, means you no need maida or any special dough. Just get simple leftover dough and make a round chapati. Roll it thin, not thick, to get that perfect taste. Now place the roti on hot tawa. Gas flames should be low at this point. Now apply any oil on the roti and flip it just once. After it start getting brown from row side. At this point we will spread avocado mix on roti, then add paneer slices. Add cucumber slices and onion over this. Use only 3 sauce: sweet chili sauce, mint sauce, and ketchup if you want. Or you can skip ketchup. No soya sauce, no mayonnaise. Then cover this filling from both sides with roti and flip it once. This roll tastes so good that once you try it, you're gonna add this into your easy-go meal for sure. Very tasty, roti roll is ready with no extra ingredients and special dough. Serve it with tea or coffee as you prefer. This recipe takes no time but still very filling. Best for Sunday rest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.